Ever wondered how your living space could be shaping your life? It's not just a physical environment, it's a mirror reflecting your inner world, profoundly influencing what you manifest in your life. Each piece of furniture, the colors on your walls, all elements of your surroundings play a part in shaping your thoughts, emotions, and actions. Picture this, a cluttered, chaotic space. It's more than just an eyesore. It creates a mental clutter, a fog that hinders your ability to focus and manifest your desires. Now imagine a clean, organized space. It fosters a sense of calm, clarity, a centering that allows your mind to be receptive to positive energy. Your living space is your sanctuary, where you recharge, rejuvenate, and prepare to face the world again. It's not just about aesthetics, but about creating an environment that supports your mental well-being and manifestation journey. The power of your living space goes beyond mere aesthetics. It is a conduit for your energy and intentions. Both colors and decor are not just about visual appeal, they are powerful tools for manifestation. Think about it. Colors have this uncanny knack of influencing our moods and energy. Warm tones like red and orange can stir feelings of passion and vitality, while cool tones like blue and green can help us relax and instill tranquility. They are more than just pigments on your wall. They are silent mood setters, working in the background to shape your energy and align it with your intentions. Now let's talk about decor and design elements. They are like visual affirmations that subtly reinforce your beliefs and intentions. Imagine surrounding yourself with symbols of abundance like lush plants, artwork depicting prosperity, and affirmations of abundance. Doesn't it make you feel like you're living in prosperity? And that's the power of decor. It cultivates a mindset of abundance, attracting wealth into your life. Similarly, elements that evoke feelings of love, joy, and gratitude can enhance your ability to manifest positive relationships, experiences, and opportunities. So, the next time you pick a color for your walls or choose a piece of decor, remember you are doing much more than just decorating. You are setting the stage for manifestation. By consciously selecting colors and decor that resonate with your intentions, you are essentially programming your space for success. The layout of your space is a physical blueprint of your daily habits and routines. It's a canvas upon which you choreograph your life, from your morning coffee ritual to your evening wind down. A well-structured layout is like an invisible hand guiding you seamlessly through your day. It reduces friction and maximizes efficiency, making it easier for you to maintain healthy habits and routines. Consider the concept of designated spaces. Having a specific area for each activity, whether it's a quiet corner for meditation, a vibrant kitchen for cooking, or a cozy nook for reading, can enhance your focus and discipline. These spaces become sacred zones, each with a specific purpose and energy that aligns with your intentions. Imagine your living space as a labyrinth. Each turn, each pathway, each room has a specific purpose, guiding you towards the center, your goals, your dreams, your aspirations. A well-planned layout can serve as a roadmap for your aspirations, guiding you towards your desired outcomes. A feng shui is an ancient practice that teaches us how to create harmony within our living spaces. Originating from the wisdom of ancient China, feng shui, translating to wind water, reflects the profound respect for the elements in Chinese culture. It operates on the principle that our surroundings profoundly influence our well-being, success, and overall quality of life. Central to feng shui is the concept of qi or qi, the life force that binds the universe, earth, and humanity together. The goal of feng shui is to harmonize this energy flow within our spaces, optimizing our environment to support health, prosperity, and happiness. Now let's delve into the core principles of feng shui. The concept of yin and yang, the balance of opposites, is a cornerstone of this practice. Think light and dark, masculine and feminine, active and passive energies. Achieving harmony between these polarities is essential for creating equilibrium within a space. Next, we have the 5 elements: wood, fire, earth, metal, and water. Each element interacts with the others, producing either harmonious or disruptive energy. By strategically incorporating these elements into a space, we can enhance positive energy flow and minimize negative influences. Lastly, the Bagua map, a tool used to identify different areas of a space and their corresponding aspects of life. Aligning the Bagua map with the layout of a space allows us to enhance specific areas of our life. By applying the principles of Feng Shui, you can transform your living space into a powerful ally in your journey of manifestation. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and share to help make a better world for you and those you love.